Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of InBios Dengue Detect IgM Elisa test kit. You can see this is from InBios. This is Dengue Detect IgM. You can see the reference part number and you can see the lot number and the expiry date. This is manufactured by the InBios Incorporation USA. It's an IVD certified product. You can see this is to be maintained between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. This is how the box looks like. You can see this here, InBios. Okay. Just to show you closely. InBios Dengue IgM Elisa test kit. I'm going to unbox this for you. Okay, here you go. We're doing this in a air-conditioned room and this temperature is well maintained. Just to show you. Inside the box you can see there is a brochure. Can you open this? Okay, this says InBios Dengue Detect IgM Capture Elisa test kit. You can see this Dengue Detect IgM Capture Elisa is the qualitative detection of IgM antibodies to Dengue recombinant antigen in serum for the presumptive clinical laboratory diagnosis of dengue virus infection. You can see this brochure has the complete details about the samples and the procedures, all the test procedure method and your test, how to conduct your test and how to interpret the results. You have the complete details. It's almost like a 17-page. You can see there is 17 pages. The 17-page brochure is given. Just keep it here. Then I can see there is the plate, 96mm plate. You can see here it says coated micro titer strips for human IgM 108 strippable wells. You can see the part number and the lot number, expiry date. See this here. Then I can just want to give you the idea about what are the contents inside. Let me go one by one. You can see you have a 10 times wash buffer. You can see there's 120 ml wash buffer. Keeping it back. And then you can see N-wash 20 ml. You can see them. I'm going to get back. I'm just putting, this is you can see liquid TMB substrate 12 ml bottle. Bring it back. And then you can see it's stop solution for 9 ml. And then HRP for dengue IgM 9 ml. The conjugate, the enzyme conjugate HRP for dengue IgM 9 ml bottle. Putting it back. Then you can see ready for the normal cell antigen for dengue IgM 5 ml. You can see this here. And I will take this off. Then you can see it's dengue sample dilution buffer 25 ml bottle. They all have the expiry date and details. And then you can see ready to use dengue recombinant antigen for IgM 5 ml bottle. And then you get the control, I think dengue IgM negative control 50 microliters. Then you get dengue IgM positive control 50 microliter. So this is the total contents. If you look at today we have seen the unboxing of InBios Dengue Detect IgM Capture Elisa, that is dengue a deduction IgM antibody capture ELISA test kit. In the 96 well plate test kit, you get one detailed brochure with all instructions, and one 96 well plate, and then you get all the respective solutions to complete the test. Thank you.